Assalamu alaikum dear students. We started already with chapter vectors. So today we are going to start some more things in this topic. So we already know all these vocabulary words you can see on the screen. So let's see if any equivalent vectors. This is a new thing for you. The two vectors, they are same in the magnitude and direction. They are called equivalent vectors. Opposite vectors, they are same magnitude but in opposite direction. So resultant vector is the addition of two vectors. Triangle method we already did yesterday. Parallelogram method we did yesterday. Zero vector when the sum of two vectors is zero. Zero vector, when you add two opposite vectors, the resultant is the zero vector or null vector denoted by 0 or 0, which has a magnitude of 0 and no specific directions. A plus minus A equals to 0. Like you walk 5 steps to the north and you come back 5 steps, so your final displacement would be 0. If a vector v is multiplied by a real number scalar k, the scalar multiple kv has a magnitude of magnitude k and magnitude p. Its direction is determined by the sign of k. If k is greater than 0, so kv has the same direction as v. If k is less than 0, so kv has the opposite direction as v. So operation with vectors. So draw a vector diagram of a minus 3b. So what we have to do, rewrite the expression as the addition of two vectors. So a minus 3b equals a plus minus 3b. To represent minus 3b, draw a vector 3 times as longer as b in the opposite direction of b. You can look at the diagram. This we keep it as the same, but this we have to enlarge it, and its direction, even you can see here, is upward. Now we make its direction the other way around. Then use the triangle method to draw the resultant. So this is the tail of this negative 3b, we connect with the head of this one, and now this tail to head, so the resultant vector is a minus 3b. Answer is this one. So this we have to draw a vector n plus 2m. So the n vector would be the same, and this m vector we have to make its length twice and we have to add with the n. So the answer for this one would be T. So solve the guided practice 4a, 4b and page 485, exercise 8.1, page 488, question 27 to 33, odd numbers. Have a good day. Thank you.